I'm going to love this. Jazz, why this green one? Oh, come on, you know. Oh, okay, tricolor. Just like Puzzle Dragons can have tricolor dungeons. We're not talking about that. No, some levels have tricolor only. At least this is helpful. We're completing this level and that's final. I'm not grounded. Everybody talks about grounded videos. Suck in the middle. Oh, I mean stuck in the middle. I thought you said no. This show rocks. I thought you said like no, more like crap in the middle. No. He said wow. There's a difference between no and wow. I love stuck in the middle too. I like summer 2015 because it's my childhood. I think it's my childhood. We moved to another state that time. Oh. Wait a minute. Didn't he rent it on May 25th, 2018? The day that I called that Gold Dragon a big fat meanie and said that Jazz, he's a Jazz's side. Oh my god. That's the day. That day was funny for me. Because one of my friends were told to stop. Because. You mean Olivia? Oh, okay. Maybe he was talking too much. Wait, what? Snitch it. What a snitcher. Nobody can snitch on people. People are. Wow, Brian Mixel and Power Boy. I remember that user. The one that told me said I liked his salute on Michael the Grandmate guy. I've been butthurt to like Michael the Grandmate guy lots of times back in May 2017. Like this instant. PE class. Come on. You do not pull down a fire alarm. Idiots in a nutshell. Don't do that. He's crying like a tiny helpless baby. I can say tiny helpless baby in some of my videos, but I won't say it all the time not because I'm ripping off Michael the Grandmate guy's way. He said this level must be simple if I complete it. I really must love it. What? Miss? Stop saying tiny helpless baby. You're not a tiny helpless baby at all. Oh, wow. Thank God you didn't get grounded. If you were to get grounded, whoop. Screw this. You're gonna have to rant. You're gonna have to still rant on it. Ah! I'm using this. I'm happy to finish this level. Why are you cutting this? I'm getting more stars, more crap. Why is it so tricky? It's refusing him to eat goldfish. Give him more. That's his birthday? Oh well. Yeah, day sucks balls. This day sucks balls. For you. Come on. You did it! I completed it earlier, so I don't have to go through this tomorrow. Thank you. Got 3 stars. I knew it. I see the rat already. Thanks. So long, Crow.